simply a creative world citizen. As Urban Spiritualists, we are motivated to contribute our thoughts, deeds, and actions towards something bigger than just ourselves. We recognize that we are all linked in a collective human experience, and that when we learn to honor our highest potentials, we can improve not only our own lives, but our sense of community as a whole and the world around us. We are driven to connect with ourselves so we can consciously choose cooperation and unity over division, transformation over stagnation, and healing over suffering. We use our mindset training, ROAR, to recognize the programs we repeatedly join into that keep us trapped in an illusion of pain and separation, and to reprogram our mindset so we can create anew from a place of deep intentional alignment and conscious choice. Perhaps you're already well aware of some of the programs you tend to join into, as well as the ways that those programs trigger a certain emotional response. Or perhaps you're navigating your life on autopilot, confused about why you keep finding yourself in the same situation, despite your wish to shift course and establish a different direction. The truth is, change follows action, and action begins with belief and culminates in expression in behavior. If we wish to experience something different, it is not enough to merely think about our wish. We must reprogram the beliefs in our automatic operating system so that we can begin expressing anew through behaviors that align with the outcome we desire. Through using the ROAR methodology, reveal, open, receive, and release, we can learn to examine our conditioned mind and identify the programmed beliefs and behaviors that constitute the fabric of our lives. When we roar, we are journeying through 4 points of introspection to witness ourselves, open to the truth of what we have come here for, and choose wisely, based on what serves our deeper sense of purpose, growth, and expansion. Can you think of a repeated situation, behavior, or experience to which you could apply the ROAR algorithm and illuminate a new, empowering pathway of engagement? It is up to us to co-create a better worldview for ourselves and for one another. Sign up for our newsletter today to become a part of the change. Visit urbanspiritualist.com to learn more. Join us.